have forgotten about it, yeah. Unapologa, what's their name? The way you used to help each other, you have forgotten about it. Unapologa.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
I'm going to see Chidinma. She's very upset with me.
The reason I am coming to your house.
Did she tell you what happened?
Yes, she told me. It's not something we can discuss here. Let's go to your house, sit down, and we'll talk about it well.
Okay. I didn't know she would tell you.
Why would she tell me? She's not my daughter.
Just between two of us.
Uncle love me.
Mama, so what can I offer you?
Nothing. Don't bother yourself, my
Nothing?
son. Nothing. I'm
Mama,
fine.
I can quickly prepare something for you now.
Don't worry.
Ah.
The important thing that matters to me now is unity between you and Chidinma, my daughter. Yes, I've told you, living alone in this big compound after your late parents are dead and gone is a lonely life. And you cannot continue like that. You and Chidinma should quickly hurry and get married so that she can at least make this whole place clean. Then the cabinet is dirty. She'll weed the whole place, sweep the whole place, and that is the responsibility of a woman.
Mama, if the devil will allow us.
People are quarreling.
That's what I think, but
It's okay. Don't worry yourself. That is why I'm here. I want to know what is going on.
Mama, the truth is I didn't tell Chidinma everything. But I only went to Adeze's place to ask for some money. I don't have anything to do with Adeze. I collected the money. I left.
That's all?
That's all. She gave me the money and I left. Nothing happened or nothing is happening between us.
Is that why you should worry yourself? And she doesn't even understand. That matter is dead here and now. I don't want you to talk about it again. Don't discuss it with Chidinma. Even if she resists it, don't talk about it. I will explain this thing you just explained to me to her. And I believe it to pacify her anger. It's okay. Ogusi and no.
No problem, Mama.
It's all right.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, you said I shouldn't make anything for you.
No, I am fine. I'll be on my way. This is my house as well. Obinna did not tell you exactly what happened in Adeze's house. Is you know what I've been telling you? Friendship forever. It was the same Adeze that invited Obinna to their house. Onyoro, on getting there, she now gave him alcohol. When she noticed he's now drunk and probably not knowing himself again, she started touching him in the wrong places. Touching him, throwing herself at him. Before you know it, they did it. Yes, Oje. She now in turn appreciation to shut his mouth or to tell anybody. She now gave him 55,000 naira. According to her, to buy anything of his choice. Or a bribe.
So you mean she got him drunk?
Yes!
How could Adeze do that? I don't believe Ada can do that to me. Why? Makayenizi?
Well, friendship go, Lulu. Friendship does not count. What counts is people's desire. People do what they like, especially when it's to make them happy.
Okay, why didn't Obinna tell me all this?
How can he tell you? That young man is heartbroken. He is going through hell. And he begged me not to tell you. I'm only telling you this now because you're my daughter.
I need to see Obinna, Mama.
There is no need.
No, there is need.
I
need to see him for more clarification because now I cannot even.
That young man, as I speak with you now,
Mama,
he's trying to protect your friendship with Adeze At the same time, fighting not to lose you in the process. So I'm not between the quagmire.
But I saw them in his house. I'll be back.
Nne. Oh, your friendship go. We are friends forever.
You didn't come for the meeting again, eh? You can't do baby sex. You're not looking bad. You're
Omar, this one you are passing up without talking to us. I hope all is well. Are we quarreling?
Mbego.
Eh?
I don't know what your problem is. Leave me alone. I don't want to get angry this morning.
If you want us to talk, must it be now? You can either come to my house or I come to your house. I go if I did right.
Please, allow her to go. Let's finish our discussion. Allow the dead to bury themselves. What do you hear?
What did you just call me? You call me the dead? Because you're Maggie. Are you alive like this?
No, what are you? I'm asking you. What are you if not a living dead?
That is what you are. If you had allowed me to pass, we should say this nonsense now. See what you're causing now? Have you seen it now? I don't blame you.
Nonsense. Do anything. Come on. What is the matter with you?
I
don't understand you people. Don't tell me that you people have been having problems before.
Onye? This one?
Or the bears and Uber. What is the matter?
Let me tell you, my dear. This woman is an ingrate. Ingrate.
What did you do for me that I should be grateful for? What did you do for me? Eh? Husband snatcher. It is you that should be grateful for me for bringing the man that you married into your life. You have taught your lousy daughter how to snatch people's husbands. You got away with it. She will not get away with it. You think I would let it lie low?
You do nothing. You will do nothing. Ubako, you think we don't know?
It's okay.
No,
you cannot change my name.
You think we don't know?
Money is coming.
You think we don't know?
You don't know what?
Moving from one man to another in this village. Okunaga one. You also open a chalet in that your house. Akuna.
It's okay. It's okay. Also go Biko.
Did you extend the hatred between the two of you to your children? And the way I see it, it might even get to your grandchildren. Both of you staged public fights. And I think you should both be ashamed of yourselves. And for you, the boy there, even if she slapped you, I expected you to go to the elders and report. You even have me to report to. You never did. And you have traveled far and wide, and you cannot compare the status that you have to the status of a village woman. I am really disappointed.
Your Majesty, we have handled this matter before, but from all indication, it seems that they are not ready to settle themselves. I suggest we give them fine.
Well, let us give them the benefit of the doubt. Let us give them the opportunity to settle this amicably. And so I want both of you to stand up and embrace yourselves.
Is it now?
The Igwe has spoken.
What are you waiting?
She's always looking for my trouble.
Well, are you standing up?
I said stand up. Igwe has said stand up and embrace.
She's still coming.
Must I come to you?
No, both of you, go outside. Go outside and finish it up.
we don't want to hear any fight again, please. I guess we will only deal with that.
Your Majesty, with what these women have stated here, it will have clearly. Obaku is actually the one looking for trouble. In fact, I was under the impression that you would be open and tell her to her face that she is the troublemaker here.
No. I didn't want to be judgmental. I just gave them the privilege of settling themselves. Who was wrong, who was not wrong was not important.
But you see, the base they actually do.
I have spoken.
You are supposed to live by example. Money when I know Papa go be, Obi lewa go go. You were best friends, but now, again in the measure, one year more. Go no say ribo number, each of us go pania.
I said it. Go back. The beautiful woman in this village. Go back. In fact, I'm greeting you back.
Abuisi. You can see I'm not in the mood for your jokes now. Leave me alone, Biko. What is it?
This is why you're coming towards this direction. Do you go to Igwe's palace?
Igwe's palace kill you. Maybe you saw me in the beer parlor when they are topping it for you. Idiot.
Whoever that is causing this woman so angry, you have me to contend with. Look at now. The little change I could have collected from this woman now. She have gone with it. In fact, Ubak, don't go because that change is very, very important for my career. In fact, that person that caused this thing, I'm going to deal with that person. And when I deal with that person will not rest in peace.
What's their name is? The way you used to play together, you have forgotten about it, yeah. What's their name is? The way you used to help each other, you have forgotten about it. What's their name is? What's their name is?
Mama, you're back. How did he go?
What do you expect? What do you expect? Look at Igwe. Igwe was busy perverting justice, supporting his sister, calling me names, calling me village woman. I was in village woman. Or the best, I was the foreign woman. But that one didn't make me angry. The one now on my phone that is making me so angry is all the basic. Telling me in my face that her daughter is the one taking care of you. Buying you shoes, buying your slippers, earring, even taking care of your boyfriend Obina. Have you heard her? Did you see them?
Chimo, she said that to you?
What did I tell about friendship forever? Friendship goal. I told you nothing good will come out of that family. Nothing good comes out of Sodom. They went from Sodom.
Mama, I know what to do. Don't worry. Mama, don't worry.
And where do you think you're going?
Mama, don't worry.
Oh, yeah. Blame me, eh?
As Ojuofo Jidog, maka na Ojuofo ga-ana. Kerekere ka nwanya daba tupu etupu anyu amili. Jisi na ife nwebu na oji ọwọ mana ọfọ ma onye ji enye. Woman, What do you want the spirit to do for you?
Wise one, I have been humiliated by a fellow woman. Akamdiocha. I didn't do anything wrong to her. My hands are clean. The worst is that in this village, nobody believes anything she did to me is wrong. They all believe is right, is right, is right. This woman fights me in my dreams and even in real life. And you know the worst of it all? Her daughter has snatched my daughter's husband-to-be, all because they have money. And we do not have anybody to help us.
As na ya de kechi maka na echi ala agwu agwu. As na ya de ke isi mmiri maka na isi mmiri ala atata. Na ya de kechi maka na echi ala agwu agwu. Mana onye si na ya ebu ụzọ nwuchu ọnwụ, ya jekwa ebule ekete. Chuwe mmiri ozu akwanga. O chujulo, ya notakwana. O chujulo, ya notakwana. But you've already said this before. What I am asking you is this. What do you want the spirit here to do for you?
Instant death. I want her to die so that she will stop her oppression. She's oppressing me too much. She's humiliating me. I want all those to stop.
What is her name?
Her name is Odibeze.
The spirit says that the woman is innocent, very innocent, and she can never be harmed.
Wise one, there's a mistake somewhere.
Hold it. Each time you come here, I do things according to your wish. But this time around, the spirit says that the woman should never and can never be harmed.
I don't want these clothes again. What are you talking about? You don't know what I'm talking about. You're asking me what are you talking about? Eh? No, what's wrong? I gave them to you. I don't want them anymore. Ask your mother what she told Igwe at the palace. Ask her what she told Igwe.
What is she talking about?
I don't want them anymore. That's why I want to burn it. Onyema, come on in his name. I don't know why your mother will go to the palace and tell them that you are the one clothing me, feeding me. What kind of insult is that?
Okay, can you just calm down?
That
wasn't my fault. You're my friend. I gave you.
I'm not your friend, I'm not your friend, please. I'm not your friend. I'm not your friend. Your mother cannot be disrespecting me, insulting me, and you open your mouth to call me your friend.
Me, your Dubeze, did what? Anyway, it's one of those things.
What are you doing?
It's one of those things.
I want to burn the clothes.
This is what you get when you associate with poverty-stricken people.
No problem. Dangote.
This is not fair. Chidima, are you serious right now? Chidima. Chidima.
Excuse her.
Chidima. Chidima.
My dear, let her be. Let her be. It's one of those things. See, it's a mother that is confusing her.
Mommy, leave me alone. This makes you happy, right? No, it makes you happy, innit?
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Why would you say that about my friend? Why? It's not fair. Chidima is my friend and you know it.
I didn't say you know me very well. I am your mother. I will do no such thing.
What you did. You
I
did
not.
Mommy, this is not nice though. I've already told you before that there's nothing you can do about this friendship. There is nothing you can do about it. Why are you doing this to me?
This is what you get when you associate with poverty-stricken people.
Mommy, this is not nice. Excuse me.
What's their name? The way you used to play together, you have forgotten about it, yeah.
Come and sit down.
Leave me alone. I want to stand.
It's okay now. Okay, I'm sorry. And my mother explained everything to me. You should have told me. Now I know it's not your fault, but you should have explained to me now.
I told you how it happened. I thought you have scattered everywhere. I didn't want to hurt your feelings.
That girl is a devil. God will punish her, Daisy. God will punish her. My mother told me everything she did and I'm so mad at her.
How? She didn't do anything to you.
She did everything wrong. She's my friend. She broke the sister's code. I can't treat her like that. Mamma.
Anyways, it's all my fault.
Well, thank God I now know who she is. So I'll know how to follow her.
You see that money? I'll just give it back to her so that everybody can rest.
He hasn't gotten to that now. Okay, let's just forget about this. Let's not talk about it again.
Stop! There where? Is it my fault to sit down? I don't want to sit down.
Hi, Obim, I'm sorry now. In a way you walk, you're too temperamental.
Adeze, I've been around the corner. Yes, I saw your mother going out. I'm sure she wouldn't like to see me here because of all the troubles I've caused for you people.
It's okay, she's out now. So how are you?
I'm fine. I came to tell you that Chidima and I will settle our differences.
Oh really?
Yes.
That's nice.
I want you people to settle yours.
You know what? I'm very happy that you and Chidima are in a good place right now. It makes me really happy. But you see, as for me and Chidima settling what we have ongoing, there's nothing else I can do about it. I have given it my best shot. Chidima is not coming around. She's not even on the same page with me. So, I mean, what else am I going to do? Can you believe that Chidima was here yesterday? She burnt all the clothes I gave her right outside my house, just in front. Yes.
Okay. Chidima. I'm calling you now.
I'm listening.
I hope you're not leaving with this bag because of the quarrel we had.
No, my mother said I can bring it back.
Hey, okay, let me help you carry it.
No, don't worry. I brought it myself. I'll take it myself. God bless you.
Chidima, come first. Wait now.
I said no problem.
So why did you say God should bless me? Let me go on.
Choko punish you. God bless you.
Chidima. So this was where she came to. And she lied to me that she was taking the bag home.
She was here, right outside. She burnt everything. That's not all she did. You cannot imagine the unprintable names Chidima called me and my mom. She insulted the living daylight out of me. I mean, what else am I going to do? I'm not going to force her. I'm not going to beat her. I'm okay. It's fine.
No. So all of these things happened because I only came to ask for money.
I mean, what has happened? That's it.
Is it not strange?
Obviously it's strange, but what can I do?
The truth is, she won't even let me explain to her. She won't let me explain to her to make her see reasons why I came to ask for money. She thinks I'm supporting you, I'm defending you. That's what she says.
Well, Obina, you know what? It's the state of her mind and there's nothing I can do about it. It's how she feels. Alright? I'm not going to push further. I'm not going to try so hard to want to change the narrative. I mean, she can believe whatever she wants to believe. All that matters to me right now is my preparation back to the US. I just want to leave this village as soon as possible. I'm done. Yes.
You're leaving?
I'm leaving.
Wait. You're not staying for this festival?
I can't stay for the festival. I have to go back. I mean, I'm tired. The troubles in this village is eating me deep. I'm tired of everything happening. So I might as well just go back.
So Adeze, you want to leave us and go back to America?
Isn't that where I came from in the first place? I'm tired. I mean, I'm not caught up for all of this. this craziness.
You know what? I'll make sure you and Chidima settle before you go back. Because I will not be happy if you leave without settling your differences.
Obina, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't. Alright? It doesn't. It's okay, just let it be. It is what it is.
It matters, oh.
At least when I leave, Chidima and her mother will be fine. They will have a breathing space.
Adeze, no, it matters. You people should settle before you leave. I won't be happy if you don't. Eh?
I'm not going to put extra effort into that, Obina. Just let's forget about it, please.
I'm just coming from your shop and it's locked.
I'm going somewhere else. I'll go there later.
Where are you going to?
I said I'm going out. Must you ask me where I'm going? Eh? Are you my guardian angel?
Sorry. Wait now.
Please,
wait.
if you have anything to say, do that and be brief about it. What is it?
Chidima, I came for us to talk about something very important.
About what? I said be brief. About what?
Chidima, I came in respect of our friend, Adeze.
Eh? Ese?
Adeze.
Our friend, Adeze. Ubina, you must be out of your mind. It's obvious there's something wrong with you. Ishi Awakagogo. Our friend, Adeze. When did Adeze suddenly become your friend? Do you know her from Adams? Oh, you're now making it very obvious that she took after her mother. She's a snatcher like her mother. See, let me warn you. If it's Adeze you want, go after her. Follow her, love her, marry her, and leave me alone. Don't ever in your life tell me anything about Adeze. Don't even chidima me. Don't chidima me. Don't come here and tell me any rubbish, Biko. I want Kwanyama next time. Don't even try it next time. Wait. What is going on here? Mama, ask Obina what he said to me that got me upset. Our friend Bukwe gave her. What did you say that got me upset? That she even walked out. What did you say?
Mama, I didn't say anything bad. I only pleaded with her to sort things out with her friend Adeze. That's all I said.
Obina, do you have to put your mouth in this matter? This is women's affair. I personally told you I will settle it myself. Why are you stressing yourself this much? Huh?
Mama, there's no time. Adeze is traveling out of the country. And nobody knows tomorrow. They might need each other tomorrow as friends. Who knows?
She's traveling. But that is alright. Before she travels, I will settle two of them. That quarrel won't go beyond here. I know they will lead themselves in one way or the other. But no problem, that shouldn't bother you. Eh? That shouldn't bother you. Oh, she's traveling. It's okay. Oh?
Mama, thank you. Let me go.
What?
What is it again?
Ada, good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What brought you? What has happened again?
Ada,
Yes.
you're a beautiful girl. That is why I'm here. Ada, you are the most beautiful girl I ever seen in this village. So that is why I'm here. Bam.
You seriously just came here to tell me how beautiful I am?
Bam. Yes.
Amazing. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
You are.
Thank you.
Ada, so I can't even come again and say hello to my beautiful princess. Hey.
Okay,
Ada.
that's fine.
Ada, so after everything, Ada, can't I have anything to mellow you down?
To what?
Huh? Anything to send it earlier grave.
Appreciate. Trust me, I know exactly the reason you came here to see me. I know. Okay?
Hey!
I'll be
Ada,
right back.
bam! Ada need the mumma, mbombo, even the kagakonam. Ada need the mumma, mbombo. I don't even know how to dance again, but all I know, I'm trying to make my leg. Ada need the mumma, mbombo, onye chimered. Mother poyendaya. Oh yo, hey, onye chimered. Mother poyendaya. Oh yeah. Hey. Ada.
Appreciate.
Igwe.
There you go.
Away.
Manage that.
Ada.
Yes.
With this thing you gave to me, I can buy unbuyable. I can buy unbuyable. I can go ungoable. I can jay unjayable. In fact, Ada, any evil person that will stand against you, let that person die. Ada, you live long. In fact, Ada, you go ungoable and come back in peace, not in pieces. Ada, you will not die untimely. Ada always talk about you. In fact, Ada, I'm going, but I'm here with you. In fact, let me tell you, Mama Chedema said I should call you. That is why I'm here mostly.
Oh
Yes.
my God. Really? She asked you to call me?
Bam.
Okay, that's fine. You go. I'll join her when I'm ready.
Okay. Help!
Stay out of trouble.
Hey! I just I'm going to take everything now. This train I go to you.
Just be careful.
Ogini nemezio Mwanyi oma Kono seribu nambo Iche fisigo kwani ya Una apologa What's the name?
I'm fine. Why are you trekking? Where's your car?
It's not every day one will be driving. Sometimes it's good to exercise. I'm only exercising. Yeah. So where are you headed?
I'm going to see a friend of mine.
Oh.
How about you?
As for me, I am on my way to Chidima's house. Chidima and her mom has finally invited me for a peace talk. You know, I was even going to come look for you afterwards to say thank you because I know that this is your handiwork. You must have really pushed very hard for them to be inviting me for a peace talk. So,
So you are going there now?
on my way there.
Adeze, I'm very, very happy.
I know, right?
I'm very, very excited.
Me too.
In fact, when you're done with the meeting, we should all celebrate.
I think it calls for celebration.
Yes!
Okay, that's not a problem. I would let you know how
No
things
problem.
go.
Please take care of yourself.
I will, and you
Be
too.
careful.
Kono seribu nambo Iche fisigo kwani ya Una apologa What's the name?
My daughter,
Mama.
I don't know what transpired between you and Chidema. I begged her to stay so that we can both receive you. But she insisted on going to the shop to open her, she runs a salon, before coming home to join us.
Mama, in that case, we'll have to wait for her. I have time. Yes, let's wait.
Oh, Makana. And let me get you something to eat while we wait for her.
Mama, that won't be necessary. I'm actually full up. I ate before coming. I'm okay.
No, now. At least a spoon to show that our peace talk today will be successful.
Mama, it doesn't matter. Really. I'm okay. There's no need wasting your food.
You're rejecting my food.
Oh,
Shows you're still angry.
Okay. Since you insist, let me have water.
No problem. Let me bring some biscuits as well. Oh? Hey. You're my guest now.
Mama, I am not a guest. This is my home too. Mama, this one you're treating me like a baby. When you are. Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Chidima, what are you doing here? Where are you going? I saw Adeze going to your house.
Adeze ozokwa. Emerigeme. Obinna agworo ga agwo. Every time you and Adeze, what do you want to marry her? Just go ahead and marry her, come here. Adeze every time. What is it?
Chidima, get serious for once. Please. I saw her days ago into your house. She told me that she's going to make peace.
Oh, peaceful are days. How brought of peace? After seducing and sleeping with you, she wants to make peace. Okay? On your chance, no country make peace. Peace will be quiet. See, if you want to marry her, go and marry her and allow me live my life in peace. Enough of this are days every day. You can't go.
Chidima, did you hear yourself? Did you hear yourself? Whoever said that to you, lied to you.
You are the one that is pretending. Were you not the one that confided in my mother?
No, I only went to her house to borrow some money. Can you just listen to me and believe
See,
it?
it makes me angry each time you try to defend this girl. After this girl, you always defending her.
Chidima.
Did you not tell my mother she seduced you and you people had it? Was that not what you told my mother?
Chidima, I didn't know this is what you've been thinking all this while. I'm innocent of what you're thinking about. Listen, your mother invited her to your house to make peace. Yes.
She invited her to my house to make peace and she never told me about it. It's the question.
Your mother never told you?
Yes, I'm not aware.
Then if your mother didn't tell you, that means she's up to something. And I hope your mother is not bringing trouble between both of you.
Wait, let me get back to the house first. Let me understand. I'm not going to
Chidima, come, let me explain things to you. No, wait, come.
Hey. Mama, thank you so much. I am so full up. Thank you.
You're welcome, my daughter. Let me go look for Chidima. Maybe she has forgotten the appointment to have this afternoon.
Yeah, I was thinking so.
And you too, you have to go. Come back in the evening. Oh?
Mama, that's no problem. It's even better. I had something I was doing before I came, so I'll just go back to that.
I mean, I'll be back again in the evening. It's better. Omaka, let me quickly go look for her. Oh, so that she will be here by that evening. Let me go.
Okay, Mama. See you later.
Bye-bye.
If you come back, just call me. I'll be back.
No problem. Get your mother for me.
Thank you, Mama.
Kono seribu nambo, ichafisigo kwaniya. Una poluga, what's the name? Kono seribu bebu nambo, ilo fuchanga kwaniya. Una poluga, what's the name? The way you used to play together, you have forgotten about it, yeah. Una poluga. What's the name? The way you used to help each other, you have forgotten about it. Una Buluga, what's the name? Una Buluga, what's the name? Yo, what's the name? Yo, Una Buluga, what's the name? Because of envy and jealousy, you have sold your soul to the devil. Yeah. One why can't you forget the past? What has she done to you that you cannot forgive her? Oh, you are such a wicked woman. Kono seribu nambo, iche fisigo pania. Una Buluga, what's the name? Kono seribu bebu nambo, ilo fuchago pania. Una Buluga, what's the name? The way you used to play together, you have forgotten about it, yeah. Una Buluga, what's the name? The way you used to help each other, you have forgotten about it. Una Buluga, what's the name? Una Buluga, what's the name? Yo, what's the name? Yo, Una Buluga, what's the name?
near my car. Adeze. Ah. Keep on watching rules or Jimmy. Adeze. Ada. Here. Who is this girl now? Adeze. Here. This girl will not stay in one place in this village. Adeze. Adeze.
You're going out?
I'm going to church now.
Where is Adeze? I was told she came to the house to see you.
Which Adeze?
My Adeze now.
I don't understand.
I was told she came to the house to see you. I don't understand. Did you not invite her for a peace talk?
I did not invite her. Hey. Wait though. How can people believe Adeze will come to the house knowing full well what she has done to us?
I don't understand. Obinna, what is going on?
Mama, I saw her. She said she was coming to your house to make peace with you.
And you believed her? You as if people don't know who Adeze is. Her antecedents. Wait, Mwambiko. If there is anything you have or you want to have with Adeze, please don't go there. Concentrate on your Chidema, your wife-to-be, and form a formidable relationship. Happy here, sight attraction now. Adeze didn't come anywhere close to the house.
Mama, please, if truly Adeze came to the house, kindly tell me now. I want to know the truth, you're my mother. Because if I later find out that she came to the house and you are lying to me about it, Mama will not be happy. Okay, it's better you tell me the truth now, Mama. Did she come to the house?
Chidema, Adeze did not come to the house. It's in my Bible I'm holding. Please, I am late for women fellowship. I want to go to church. That is why you saw me this way now. Biko, I'll see you later when I come back.
Jehovah is your name. Jehovah is your name. She told me she was coming here now. Are you sure your parents don't mind? No, but she told me she was going to the house.
Oh, you heard her. She said she was
not for me.
Oh, she said she...
Adeze? You have not seen Adeze? Hey, Jesus! Oh. Is she not here?
Mama, why would you think Adeze is here? Adeze is not here.
People say they see her here very often, that she comes here very often. Where is my daughter?
Mama, I don't know where Adeze is. And why would you think Adeze came here? She's not here.
But see, if by daybreak I don't see my daughter, you and Chidima will have me to contend with in this village.
Oh, Mama, Adeze is not...
you tried her?
I'm
Have you called her?
Her phone is not home.
Her phone is at home?
Yes. Igwe Tukuraya Chisukwa Igwe.
Okay.
My brother needs something, please.
Calm down. Calm down. Let us go inside. Don't worry, I will send Emmy's. They will look for her. Don't worry. Let's go inside and for the solution. Yes, let's go inside. Come.
The solution is looking for her now.
Follow me. They will go and look. The youth will look for her.
Tukuraya Chisukwa.
To make my hair. Auntie, I'm talking to you. Auntie, I'm talking to you. Auntie.
I'm not working today. Biko, Echi, please. What?
Use of Allah. The worst has happened. One of our daughters, Adeze, has been missing for the past few days. And there's no trace of her whereabouts. So I have decided to summon some of you here so you can make contact with your colleagues and brothers in search of Adeze. Please, I want you to do as much as you can to trace her, even if it's her dead body. At least let us have a privilege of burying her body. Please do what you can.
Your Highness, may you live long. This is indeed a sad story, and the first time something like this is happening in our community. But we, on behalf of the youths, want to assure you that we will do everything possible to find her wherever she may be.
You can go and come back with cheerable news. May the gods be with you.
No, Mama, we are okay. Standing. Yes, and deliver the message, ma.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma. Mama, the girls of this community has picked the few of us to come and pay you a visit.
to wage in our mission of our friend and colleague. Because whatever that touched her has touched us all. We cannot fold our hands and watch while our house is burning. So we must make sure Adeze is found.
Say,
Mena, I want to come you people. Adeze. Hey, Mama. Don't look.
Sorry.
Don't look.
But Mama, are you sure you did not set your eyes on her on that day? Yes, because Obinna told me that he saw Adeze coming to see you, that she told him you called her.
Chidimma, what are you talking about? So if people should hear you now, as that person they hear this thing you say, they start looking at me somehow.
No,
start looking at me, accusing me of
it's not like that, Mama.
How many times have I told you I did not set my eyes on Adeze on that day? How else do you want me to explain it? Eh? Okay, let me ask you. Why will I harm a small girl like that? Oguro Jim, I don't have anything against her. I am not fighting with her. It is her mother I am battling with. Don't bring this sentimentality into this matter. What is it? When gossip mongers now, look at them. And if their person now, they will think I did something wrong because it's coming from my own daughter. Why are you like this?